Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Practice Podcast.
Hi, friends. We're so happy you're here today.
This podcast is for beginners who want to speak English naturally.
Yes, simple English, real situations, daily life.
Today's topic is common situations, things you do every day.
Like morning, food, work, shopping, and talking to people.
Before we start, please like this podcast and subscribe.
It really helps us, and it helps more learners like you.
All right, relax. Take a deep breath.
You're doing great already. Let's start.
Situation 1. Morning.
First situation, morning.
Morning is the first part of the day.
Listen first. Just listen. I wake up at 7.
I brush my teeth.
I take a shower.
I eat breakfast.
Now, let's talk about it.
David, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6.
Nice. I wake up at 7.
Good job listening, everyone.
Now, listen again and repeat later.
I wake up at 6.
I eat breakfast.
My breakfast is simple.
My quick breakfast is a banana.
Very real. Very simple.
Situation 2. Greetings.
This is very important.
Listen first.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
Now, small talk.
David, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Great. That's real English.
You don't need long sentences.
Short sentences are perfect.
Listen again.
Hi. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
You're improving already. Good job.
Situation 3. Food.
Now, let's talk about food.
Everyone eats food every day.
Listen first. I'm hungry.
I want food.
I like rice.
I like eggs.
Now, let's chat.
David, what do you eat for lunch?
I eat rice and vegetables.
Nice. I eat rice and eggs.
Very common, very real.
Listen again.
I'm hungry.
I like simple food.
My lunch is easy.
Perfect. Keep going. Situation 4. Shopping.
Next situation, shopping.
You go to shops often.
Listen first. How much is this?
It's cheap.
It's expensive.
I want this.
Now, let's practice.
David, you are in a shop.
Okay.
How much is this?
It's cheap.
I like it. I want this.
Great job, everyone.
Listen again.
How much is this?
I want this.
You sound more confident already.
Situation 5. Work or study.
Now let's talk about work or study.
You can use this at school or office.
Listen first. I work in an office.
I study English.
I'm busy today.
Now, conversation time.
Jelly, what do you do?
I teach English.
Nice. I study English too.
That's awesome.
Listen again.
I study English every day.
I practice speaking.
You're doing that right now. Good job. Situation 6. Feelings.
Last situation, feelings.
Listen first.
I'm happy.
I'm tired.
I feel good.
Now, talk with us.
Jelly, how do you feel today?
I feel good. A little tired.
That's okay. Me too.
Listen again.
I'm happy.
I feel good today.
Excellent work.
Situation 7. Asking for directions. Okay, David, let's start with directions.
Yes, this is very useful in daily life.
Listen first. Just listen.
Excuse me.
Where is the bus stop?
It's near here.
It's far.
Now, let's talk slowly.
David, imagine you are on the street.
Okay.
You need help.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Where's the bus stop?
It's near here.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good job, everyone.
Listen again.
Excuse me.
Where is the bus stop?
It's near here.
Very nice.
You can change the place.
For example,
Where is the bank?
where is the hospital?
Repeat. Slowly.
Where is the bank?
Where is the hospital?
You're doing great. Situation 8. Using public transport.
Next situation, public transport.
Bus, train, metro.
Listen first.
I take the bus.
I wait for the train.
My bus is late.
Now, conversation.
David, how do you go to work?
I take the bus.
Is it crowded?
Yes, it's crowded.
That's real life.
Listen again.
I take the bus.
I wait at the stop.
My bus is late.
Good job. Keep listening.
Situation 9. Talking about problems.
Now, let's talk about problems.
Small daily problems.
Listen first.
I have a problem.
I need help.
I don't understand.
Now talk with us.
David, what's the problem?
I don't understand this.
That's okay.
Can you help me?
Yes, I can help you. Nice and simple.
Listen again.
I have a problem.
I need help.
You can use this anywhere.
Situation 10. Making plans.
Plans with friends.
Listen first.
Are you free today?
Yes, I'm free.
Let's meet.
Now, conversation.
David, are you free today?
Yes, I'm free.
Let's meet in the evening.
Sounds good.
Very natural English.
Listen again.
Are you free today?
Let's meet.
Good job. Situation 11. Phone calls.
Now, phone calls.
Many people feel nervous.
It's okay.
Listen first.
Hello?
This is David.
Can I talk to Jelly?
Speaking.
Perfect.
Listen again.
Hello, this is David.
Speaking.
You sound confident.
Situation 12. At the doctor.
Next situation, doctor.
Very important.
Listen first.
I don't feel well.
I have a headache.
I feel tired.
Now, conversation.
David, how do you feel?
I don't feel well.
What's the problem?
I have a headache.
Okay, rest well.
Listen again.
I don't feel well.
I feel tired.
Good job.
Situation 13. Expressing opinions.
Now let's share opinions.
Simple opinions.
Listen first.
I like it.
I don't like it.
It's good.
Now conversation time. David, do you like coffee?
Yes, I like it.
I don't like coffee.
That's okay.
Listen again.
I like it.
I don't like it.
Very useful. Situation 14. Daily decisions.
Now daily decisions.
Small choices.
Listen first.
I will go.
I will stay.
I will try.
Conversation. David, will you go today?
Yes, I will go.
Good decision. Listen again.
I will try.
You're improving.
Situation 15. End of day talk.
Last situation. Talking about your day.
Listen first.
It was a long day.
I'm tired.
But I'm happy.
Conversation.
David, how was your day?
It was a long day.
Are you tired?
Yes, but I'm happy.
Nice.
Listen again.
It was a long day.
I'm happy.
Let's start with free time.
Free time means time after work or study.
Listen first. I am free.
I have free time.
I relax at home.
Now, conversation. Jelly, are you free today?
Yes, I am free.
What do you do in your free time?
I relax at home.
Nice and simple.
Listen again.
I have free time.
I relax at home.
Good job. Next situation, sleep.
Sleep is very important.
Listen first.
I go to sleep early.
I wake up late.
I feel sleepy.
Conversation time.
David, what time do you sleep?
I sleep at 11.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I sleep well.
Listen again.
I feel sleepy.
I go to sleep early.
Very good. Now, likes.
Now, let's talk about likes.
Things you enjoy.
Listen first.
I like tea.
I like music.
I like walking.
Conversation.
Jelly, what do you like?
I like music.
Nice. I like tea.
Listen again.
I like music.
I like simple things.
Great work. Now, dislikes.
It's okay to say no.
Listen first.
I don't like noise.
I don't like waiting.
I don't like spicy food.
Conversation.
David, do you like waiting?
No, I don't like waiting.
Me too.
Listen again.
I don't like noise.
I don't like waiting.
Good job.
Now, weather and feelings.
Weather changes our mood.
Listen first. It's hot today.
It's cold today.
It's a nice day.
Conversation.
Jelly, how's the weather?
It's hot today.
Do you like it?
No, I feel tired.
Listen again.
It's a nice day.
I feel good.
Perfect.
Next situation, daily habits.
Things you do every day.
Listen first.
I drink water.
I walk every day.
I read a little.
Conversation.
David, what is your daily habit?
I walk every day.
That's healthy.
Listen again.
I drink water.
I walk every day.
Nice. Now, learning.
You are learning English right now.
Listen first.
I learn English.
I practice every day.
I make mistakes.
Conversation.
Jelly, do you like learning English?
Yes, I like learning English.
Do you make mistakes?
Yes, but it's okay.
Very good.
Listen again.
I practice every day.
I make mistakes.
You're improving. Next situation, helping.
Helping is important.
Listen first.
Can I help you?
Yes, please.
Thank you.
Conversation. Jelly, can I help you?
Yes, please. Here you go.
Thank you.
Listen again.
Can I help you?
Thank you.
Great job. Now, resting.
Everyone feels tired sometimes.
Listen first. I'm tired.
I need rest.
I will relax.
Conversation.
Jelly, how do you feel?
I'm tired.
What will you do?
I will relax.
Good choice.
Listen again.
I need rest.
I will relax.
Very natural.
Last situation, tomorrow.
Simple future talk.
Listen first.
Tomorrow, I will work.
Tomorrow, I will study.
Tomorrow is busy.
Conversation. Jelly, what will you do tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I will study English.
That's great. Listen again.
Tomorrow, I will study.
Tomorrow is a new day.
Excellent.
Let's recap today.
We talked about morning routines,
Greetings and small talk.
food and shopping.
Work, study, and feelings.
You practiced real English.
Simple English. Daily English.
You don't need perfect English.
You need practice, and you did it.
We're proud of you.
Now, a fun question for you.
Tell us in the comments.
Today, you practiced many situations.
Directions, transport, problems,
Plans, phone calls, doctor.
opinions, and decisions.
That's real English.
You don't need fast English.
You need clear English.
And practice every day.
You are doing great.
Tell us in the comments.
Today, you practiced 10 new situations.
Free time and sleep.
Likes and dislikes.
Weather and habits.
Learning and helping.
Resting and tomorrow.
This is real English.
Slow English. Clear English.
You are doing very well.
Tell us in the comments.
What time do you wake up?
And what do you eat for breakfast?
Write one simple sentence.
Keep practicing. Speak every day.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. You're doing amazing.